There are millions of people scrolling reels on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even on YouTube. Hey, those are not reels, but shorts. Oh, I'm sorry, but they are getting a lot of views, man. And when you try to do the exactly same thing, the very opposite is true. No views. It's all over. Today, I'm going to teach you the exact tricks you need to explode your social media platform. Hey everyone, this is Filmoramastery. After watching the video, do subscribe for excellent future episodes. So the very first thing you need, my dear friend, is to do what I call the exceptional subtitling. Honestly, I don't know why, but many creators are somewhat lazy when it comes to this. But look at this. I want to give you a very perfect example. Look at this guy. One of the major facts that contributed to his fame is the graphical way of putting up the subtitles. He's actually known for this. Now listen, this is the best secret of this whole point. To keep your viewer's eye around, keep your screen busy. The relevant graphical representation of the whole video is completely irresistible to your potential audience. But if your screen is empty, the viewer is going to be bored so quickly. And if that happens, the viewer is going to scroll away. So now you may think this to be something very difficult when it is so simple. If you are a Filmora editor, you have a big advantage. You can actually create subtitles from this option right here, which is speech to text. And after that, you can do the subtitle editing on the advanced subtitle editor. So this is going to give you a very good opportunity to do all the tricks that you want to do with your subtitles, different way of editing them, and then bringing up your very own unique style. So you can actually have an advantage right here that when you edit one title, you can actually apply it to all the subtitles in your timeline. So just as simple as that. Take care of your subtitles. You are going to see the result. Now here is the second one, which is one of those great tricks to help you create successful reels. Making different cuts. Even if you are creating a 30-second reel, bringing up different cut sizes is far much better than a single cut, which is still and boring. Show up some B-roll related to your video. Find some free footage from Pixels, Mixkit, Pixabay, and more. But even if you are not fitting up some B-roll in between, you still have to consider the cut-in and the cut-back. And beside that, you can do the zoom-in effects. And honestly, this is very effective when you apply it right. So this is the very example of what I'm trying to say right here. As you can see right here, you can use it when there is a certain emphasis, or when a subject physically reacts in a certain way. And it's very simple to do this. Just add a keyframe, and after a few frames, increase the scale. And now the last move is to open the keyframing panel, and then ease in the first keyframe. And then after that, you do ease out the last keyframe. Now here's the very last trick, my friend, and this is the one that I call the cut this. So what am I really asking you to cut here? Okay, let me explain. When a viewer scrolls down to your reel, you only have 5 seconds of convincing that viewer to watch the remaining part of that reel. The viewer has clicked your video, so tell him what you have called him for. Avoid silent spaces. So we got a very good advantage in Wondershare Filmora. When you zoom in your timeline, you can actually see the silent spaces, and you can actually see represented by the waveforms, and you can see the loud portions so that you'll be able to delete the silent spaces. If you consider these tricks, you will create successful reels and trend on social media. And at the same time, if you haven't mastered the keyframing in Wondershare Filmora 13, please be sure to check out this video right here.
Bye.